Welcome to CoolGeeksTNT again. My name is Dario and I hope you enjoy my last video of the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max, and I'll do a follow-up video sometime in the future after using the device for a little while, giving my impressions. But as promised, we're going to unbox the Apple Watch Series 4, another new edition from Apple. So sit back and enjoy. Another goodie from Apple, and it's the Apple Watch 4G. I had the original Apple Watch and it was really nice, but as a techie I would have been switching between Android and iOS, and it did not allow me to, for it to work with an Android device. So I switched up a bit on smartwatches. Most recent I was using, where is it, the Gear Fit Pro. And of course this works with both Android and iOS. Really good for all my training and stuff. This works really nice. It's waterproof, 50 meters, salt and fresh water. So I'll be hanging this up now, and I'm going all the way back to Apple. Typical. Let's see here. I'm so excited to be wearing Apple Watch again. And this is the Series 4. Design has changed somewhat from the Series 0 to Series 3. This is the normal Wi-Fi version. Ooh, Apple does. Look at that. Only Apple could do this. This is sweet. So we have the box that's rested to the side here. This is the band. I bought the silver version, right? $429 US. Yep, this is the 44 millimeter. I'm gonna open up this box here. Oh, here we are. All right, so this is the white sports band. Nice. Right, normally comes with a medium and a little smaller for smaller hands, so I need this to slap this onto the watch. I also bought, now I love bands, cases, so I have, for every occasion I have a phone case or watch band. I have some watch bands as well. I'll unbox that quickly. Alright, like I was saying, the style is different. It's a lot slimmer. It's a bigger screen. The older models there was a 38 and 42 inch millimeter. This one comes now. Now Apple is doing it with the on Series 4, a 40 millimeter and a 44 millimeter. I bought the 44 millimeter. All right, so let's put that here. Let's get to the baby here. Right, again designed by Apple in California, and here comes in a nice microfiber pouch. Wow, again silver to match up with the iPhone. Wow, this is nice. But let's drop a band on. Key, I believe. It's powering up as well. Wow. So this is what I'll be using from now on. Wow, screen is noticeably bigger. So you gotta depress the little button to remove the watch band. and that's the new crown. With the software update, you would be able to do an ECG test for people who have had problems and so on, or just the average user. Let me do some unboxing of some bands. Right, oh, I forgot to check what's in the box. So we have the charging cable, more or less wireless, it just snaps on, right, as with all the other versions, and another charging brick again. Right, so let me quickly do some, put this to the side here. And like I said, bands, must have a band for every occasion. Again, from Amazon. This is the top 4 costs. All right, this is a leather band. This is nice. I'm gonna call it the changes up the look of your watch. This is really nice. I think I'll be wearing this later. Wow. Okay, let me get you off. So that's band number 1, black. This is from Ange. Again, everything I have here links will be in the description below, or you may see a pop-up. Black leather. Okay, this is nice. I use this for work a lot. And of course, didn't want to dish out that cash for the Apple version of the Apple Day Series 4, but I got some bands. And again, all the old bands from the older generation works with this Series 4. So this is a 42 millimeter, sorry, right, and all different colors, all from Amazon, right, to give you that Nike finish. Let's try. This looks like my favorite. And of course, you can mix and match bands to tone. So I saved myself some money. Still getting that Apple, that Nike finish. Isn't that nice? Wow. Okay, so that's it. I'll be back after I get this set up with my iPhone XS Max, and I'll do a quick review on the Apple Watch Series 4. Thank you for watching. Okay, that was the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. I will do a future video showing some of the features of that Apple Watch, but in my upcoming videos I will be unboxing some cool gift ideas for fellas and for the ladies, especially as Christmas is right around the corner. So please stay tuned. Once again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when my videos are out. And thanks again for watching Cool Geeks TNT.